APLD stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is applied digital stock or buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience. By the way, all documented, that is. And this specifically is sort of kind of going down. I absolutely love the shift that we've gotten. And even now, pre-market is like $12, which is great. But like, especially now, like, unless I see the price and actually giving me some sort of like a proper double break, there's just no way. And I'm talking like a 30-minute, 15-minute chart. If I don't see my rules met, then I'm not gonna just randomly buy. And you can see pre-market is already at the top, and sometimes there is gonna be those gap ups, and there's nothing you can do about it. You know, just part of the game. I mean, especially here with APLD, it's just that I'm gonna be patient. I just hope I see like a little correction, then a confirmation met, so I can take it further up. And if it doesn't go according to the plan and the rules, that I'm not taking this trade. Very simple. Like, I do have a lot of receipts with APLD as well. 67 results, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.